If you're hosting on Airbnb, you already know a smart lock isn't optional. It's essential. But not all smart locks are created equal, and picking the wrong one can mean Wi-Fi issues, guest complaints, or last-minute access headaches. That's why in this video we're cutting straight to it. The top 3 smart locks that actually work for Airbnb in 2025. These are the locks superhosts trust to automate check-ins, generate time-limited codes, and make guest access seamless, all without you lifting a finger. Whether you're managing one property or 10, this shortlist will save you time, boost your reviews, and eliminate key handoffs forever. Stick around, especially for number 1. It's the lock most pros are using this year, and once you see what it can do, you'll know why. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more smart home tech that's actually worth your time and money. Alright, let's count down the top 3 smart locks for Airbnb in 2025, starting with a model that's perfect for first-time hosts or renters, and working our way up to the gold standard that superhosts are raving about. Kicking things off at number 3 amidst the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. This one's been a favorite among Airbnb hosts for years, and for good reason. It's perfect if you're looking to upgrade your access system without replacing your existing deadbolt. The August lock installs on the inside of your door, keeping the exterior hardware the same. So from the outside, it looks completely normal. But on the inside, it's smart, secure, and completely ready to sync with your Airbnb guest calendar. What makes it Airbnb friendly? For starters, August integrates with third-party tools like Remote Lock, Hospitable, and even directly through Airbnb using integrations available in apps like August or through platforms like HomeAway. You can auto-generate unique codes for each booking and have them expire exactly when guests check out. It's the kind of set-it-and-forget-it automation that hosts dream of. It's compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, giving you flexibility no matter your smart home setup. And if you add the optional August keypad, guests won't need to download any apps. They can just punch in their code and walk in. Pros? Super easy install. Great for apartments or rentals where you can't replace the whole lock. Doesn't change the exterior, looks discreet. Flexible integrations with popular Airbnb tools. And cons? Battery life could be longer. You'll need to check it regularly. Wi-Fi performance depends on how close your router is, and keep that in mind. Bottom line, if you want a low-hassle, high-value smart lock that works with your existing setup, August is still a top contender in 2025. In the runner-up spot, we've got the Yale Assure Lock 2, a beautifully designed, full replacement smart lock that brings a professional, high-tech vibe to your rental. Unlike August, which sits behind your existing lock, the Assure Lock 2 replaces your entire deadbolt, giving you a fresh, modern look, complete with a sleek touchscreen or keypad, depending on the variant you choose. This lock is built with short-term rentals in mind. It works with Yale Access, which means you can send access codes to guests automatically and even revoke them after checkout without lifting a finger. You can also connect it to platforms like Airbnb, Remote Lock, or property management tools, making it ideal for hosts managing multiple properties. And let's talk about variety. The Assure Lock 2 comes in multiple configurations: touchscreen versus keypad, Bluetooth versus built-in Wi-Fi, keyed versus keyless. Whatever your smart home setup looks like, there's a Yale Assure model that fits like a glove. Pros? Gorgeous design that adds serious curb appeal. Solid integration with Airbnb and property management apps. Reliable performance with minimal connectivity issues. Supports both iOS and Android platforms. Cons? Battery life depends on your Wi-Fi strength and usage. You'll need to pick the right variant for your needs. So do your homework before you buy. Overall, the Yale Assure Lock 2 is a fantastic all-around pick, especially for hosts who want a clean look and a native integration with booking platforms. If you care about design and functionality equally, this one's a no-brainer. And now, drumroll please, the #1 smart lock for Airbnb hosts in 2025, the Schlage Encode Plus. This isn't just a lock. This is a fully integrated access solution that Airbnb superhosts swear by. And for good reason. It offers built-in Wi-Fi, which means no extra hubs or bridges to mess with. It's got a reliable keypad, which guests love, and it syncs directly with Airbnb to generate time-sensitive access codes automatically. You don't have to manually send anything, it just works. But here's what really sets it apart: Apple HomeKey support. If your guest has an iPhone or Apple Watch, they can just tap their device to unlock the door. No code, no app, no fuss. That kind of seamless access feels like magic, and it leaves guests seriously impressed. Pros: rock-solid build quality with a premium feel. Native Airbnb integration, code generation tied directly to bookings. Apple HomeKey support. The only lock on this list with that feature. Works great with Alexa and Google too, total smart home compatibility. Cons: it's more expensive than most other smart locks. Some setup steps may require a little tech savviness. Still, for serious hosts who want the best of the best, total automation, no guest complaints, and an ultra-smooth check-in experience, the Schlage Encode Plus is absolutely worth the investment. It pays for itself in time saved, happier guests, and peace of mind. So there you have it, the top 3 smart locks for Airbnb hosts in 2025. Whether you're looking to retrofit an apartment, level up your vacation rental, or simply stop worrying about keys ever again, there's a smart lock on this list that fits your needs. Remember, in the world of short-term rentals, first impressions matter, and your front door is the very first touchpoint your guests experience. A seamless, tech-enabled check-in sets the tone for a 5-star stay. So if you haven't upgraded yet, what are you waiting for? If this video helped you out, drop a like, hit subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which smart lock is going on your front door. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.